Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Alphabet Lore Godzilla. Now I have a ton of ideas for these different ideas, so if you guys like these, definitely let me know in the comments and let me know what you would like to see next. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Alphabet Lore Godzilla, let's begin by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start here and let's make a line that just comes down like this. Next I'll draw another line that comes down, and then a little one that goes straight down here. Next I'll draw a line right here to connect them. Starting here, I'm going to make a diagonal line that goes up. Next we'll draw a line that comes down, and then we'll just go ahead and connect it right there. Now to draw the eyelids, let's just make a diagonal line here and another diagonal line right here. Inside of here, I'm going to make a half circle for the pupil, and I'll do the same thing over here. Then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Now to get started on the nose, we want to draw a line that's going to come out, and then I'm going to bring it straight down. Next, you want to draw over, and then come down to make a mouth. Right here, let's make two little diagonal lines for the nose. Right here, let's draw a line straight across for the bottom of the mouth. Next, we'll curve this line down and then back here. Inside of the mouth, let's go ahead and make some sharp pointed teeth on the top and on the bottom here. Now, I like to make some fire coming out of the mouth. So I'm going to draw a long line that comes out here, and then a second long line that comes out here. Then I'm going to put some zigzag lines right here. Back here, let's draw a straight line down, and then a second one here for the back of the mouth. And you can go ahead and color in this part right here, right above the fire, and then color in this part right below the fire. Now let's start up on the top. I'm going to start right here by this eye, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out here at an angle. Then I'll come back up here like this. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to curve it out to here. I'm going to bring this line up. Then we'll come out here at an angle. I'll bring this line down and then back a little bit. Next, we'll bring this down. And then we're going to draw a line that goes from here to the mouth. Now, I want to add some details inside of here. So one of the things I'm going to do is right here I'm going to add a line that goes out and then down, and then I'll add another little line that comes down here for some details, kind of like what you would see on Godzilla. I'll also add a little line underneath here. Then I'll put a little curved line here and a little line right there, just for a little bit of detail by the mouth. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to curve around. We're going to come up and bring it right over here towards the end. And then we'll make a few little lines on here to make it look like it's kind of got like a scaly stomach on here. Let's kind of turn into the tail as well. Now I want to add some of these spikes on here. So I'm going to make some lines that just kind of go up and down. I'm going to put about 3 or 4 points on each one. So I'm going to make some different little points on here. You can put 5 on some of them if you want to. And I'm just going to do this all the way across here. Make them get a little bit smaller as they come down here. Then I like to add a couple little lines on here just for some details on each one. Now the final thing is I'm just going to add some scales. So I'm just going to make a couple little bumps on here, kind of like some little U-shapes. Some of them will have 2, some will just have 1. And this just adds a little bit of detail on here. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Alphabet Lore Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.